Hi guys, jumping straight in. So I'm going to bring you guys closer because we need to be up close and personal for this part. Here we are, up close and personal, what's and all. So we're going to jump straight in and use the brow pencil. So this is the Fill Me In brow pencil from obviously Poundland. So let's give her a try, shall we? See if she's any bloody good. She can find a gem in the Poundland. So the spoolie seems okay. Teeny tiny little nib, tiny nib. That looks really good. And I've got the shade Black number 2. It does feel a little bit waxy, I'm not gonna lie. But the pigment is there, guys. It's not snapping off, which is a good thing. I wouldn't say it's blown me away. That's all I can say. It's a nice brow pencil. I am more for a brow pencil than a pomade or anything. I mean, it is a little bit waxy, but it's done my brows, it's done the job. So they didn't have any brow gel. So I'm just gonna pop my regular smegular on because I can't not gel my brows down, guys. So I'm sorry if that's cheating, but Poundland, you need to get a brow gel so I can test it out. Concealer. So this is their Makeup Gallery and it's in Hide and Cheek Super Size Liquid Concealer. I've got mine in the shade number 3 Rose Beige. I haven't picked up any of the Poundland like tools or anything, like brushes or anything like that. So I'm going to be using my own. Far too many brushes that I need to clean and decide if I need to switch some out and buy some new ones because I've had them for a pretty long time. This concealer, it's not full coverage. It is not full coverage at all. Does it state that it's full coverage? It's a medium coverage, which I'd agree. It is a medium coverage. I do like my P. Louise base, I'm not gonna lie, so I like full coverage when it comes to the eyes, just because I've got quite veiny eyes and darkness in my on my eyelids. I do like a good thick eye base, but this one seems to be okay. It's just not as thick as I'm normally used to. Don't know what's wrong with me today, but I am feeling in a little bit of a funk, guys. So I thought some Valentine's makeup might cheer me up. So here we are. For like eyeshadows, they didn't really have a lot of eyeshadows. So they had this one which is called All About the Shadow. They've only got like the white up here. That's the only one that's matte. These 3 are all shimmer. I mean, it is in Nude Glow, so I should have probably thought of that when I picked it up. But then I picked up the eyeshadow palette, the brow palette, sorry. So this is Slay the Brows. So you do have like a wax, a brown, a black and a dark brown. Maybe I could use those. And then across the lid, I'm gonna use this blush. So it's like a beautiful mauvey pink blush. So I want to use that over the brow. Oh my God, I can't get my bloody words out. So we're gonna go into this brow product, which is like a mauvey, no, it's not a mauvey brown, is it? It's like the lightest brown in the little quad. I'm gonna take one of my new little brushes. I got these from Shein, so they are quite cheap and affordable brushes. I will link them down below. For a brow product, it is really nice as well. So I'm just working that in the outer corner and just blending as I go. With the same brush, I'm going to go into the darker brown in that little quad palette. Tap that into the outer corner. What we're getting so far. I'm just going to get my little buffing brush without any product and just buff around the edges. Carve the brow out. I'm just going to do it, guys, with the same little flat brush. Do a little bit of a cut crease. I'm going to go into the blush palette and take this pink on my finger. So I'm just going to take that same brush with no added product on and just blend whatever excess is on the end of the, in the outer corner, just to blend it together. It does have some fallout. I absolutely love this liquid eyeliner. I use it every single day, guys. For mascara, we've got the Bomb Mascara. So it's in this new baby doll, baby pink, baby nude pink packaging, which I love. Oh, she's a big, big, big brush. Big, spidery, fluffy brush. So we'll see what we're dealing with here. It's a little bit sharp. No lashes, lashes. It is giving me the volume and sticking, like curling my lashes up. I didn't pick up any lashes from my local Poundland. One, they didn't have any of them that I really liked. They looked quite plasticky looking. So I'm just gonna leave it as just lashes today, mascara. So I hope that's okay with you guys, because this mascara is looking okay as it is. I like that mascara, guys. It's really nice. It is a little bit jaggy. I can deal with that. So I'm gonna take you guys back out now. We've done the eyes and we're gonna do the face. So we're gonna start off with this primer. So it's in the gorgeous nude baby pink packaging. This is the Prime Time Hydrating Primer infused with vitamin E and glycerin. So glycerin's really good because that'll keep on my makeup. So we're going to give it a little bit of a shakeroo. Oh, it's got quite a bit of colour. Oh my god, it's spitting everywhere. Oh, it's got very chemical smell to it, guys. It has got a bit of a glow to it with it obviously being hydrating. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that smell. Oh no, no. It's not really got much tack to it. Feels a little bit sticky, but not really tacky. So I'm going to use their setting spray. Again, this is in their nude baby pink range. So it's Showtime 2-in-1 primer and fixing spray. That is really aggressive. No, guys, look, that mascara has not budged. That was £1 or £2.50. Some of this was £1 and then some was £2.50. So then, oh, listen to that. That is very liquidy. That means that it's probably just gonna not do nothing for my skin. That's really liquidy. Right, okay, so the packaging has changed on their foundation. Matte Me Over. It used to be Matte Me Up, now it's Matte Me Over. Long lasting foundation. Okay, let's see what the claims are on this, okay. Long lasting foundation with a natural matte finish. That means it's not going to show up on the skin. Enriched with vitamins to nurture your skin whilst moisturising a flawless coverage. Lightweight base. And it's vegan suitable. So I've got this in 3 Rose Beige. This is going to be runny as hell. Oh, jeez. I was not even ready for that. It is so runny. Oh my god, right, let's get a brush on this quick. Jesus, it's gone all over every bloody where. Oh no, this has got a smell to it as well. I don't know if I like this on my skin. Instantly, I can feel it tingling. It did that last time when I used it as well. I definitely think I'm gonna have to double cleanse when I take this off. Still not a massive fan of their foundation, guys. Let's just sponge it, shall we? It's not looking great, guys. It's clinging to my nose. It's clinging on my chin. It's clinging everywhere. It's like a bloody Klingon. I mean, the eyes do look nice, but they're patchy as hell. They are patchy as hell. The mascara is lovely. I do like the mascara. It's not even covered this spot. Right, concealer time. Going in with the same concealer to do the under eyes and the bags. Hopefully this gives me a bit more coverage. It says it's 3 beige, 3 Rose Beige, whatever it was. I think this is blending to nothing as well. It's not giving me any coverage, any extra coverage should I say. So taking the Poundland powder that everyone's talking about. I love this powder, guys. So I'm just going to take it with my Trigwell, very dirty Trigwell powder puff. I'm going to pop it into the powder puff and see if I can get my under eyes as I normally do with my powder. That has worked so well. I love this powder anyway, guys. This Poundland powder is amazing. If you haven't tried it, I'd highly recommend. But look at my eyes. Wow, that has just set my under eyes so nicely. Just gonna take some on a powder brush and just set the rest of my face, because they don't have like liquid blush or liquid bronzer or anything. I'm then going to take their bronzer, which I've used before in the past and I love it, and I'm going to take it on this H&B number 2 brush. Pop that in the high points of my cheeks, my forehead. Take it down here, just make me stop looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost over here, sides of my nose roughly. Go into this little blusher, and I'm going to take the pink that I used on my eyes, taking it on one of these brushes that I got from Shein. Taking a mixture of both of them actually, because my brush won't fit in. Oh yeah, is beautiful, and I'm taking it right under the eye. Oh my god, that is a nice blush combo, you know. Taking a little bit over my nose because I love to do that. I like that little blush, guys. That is perfect. I'm just going to use my Trickle sponge again, and on the Poundland powder, and just carve that out. I can tell I'm going to love that blush, and I'm going to use it every day. That is gorgeous. So for the under eye, I'm just going to use the black and just smudge it underneath to give it that smoky look. I mean, don't get me wrong, the little eyeshadow quads are lovely. I'm just going to smudge. Oh yes, that has tied it together nicely. Oh yeah, that has made it so much more sexy for Valentine's. I'm going to use this. Oh, bloody hellfire. I'm going to use a mascara for the under eye and see if it's any good for the lower lashes. Yeah, do you know what? That does look good on the lower lashes, you know. I really like that mascara, guys. Just like matte liquid lipstick in the baby nude pink, and I've got this in the shade One Berry Smoothie. Got just a regular bullet lipstick in this nude pink range as well, and it says Get Lippy Moisturising Lipstick with vitamin E, and it says 10 Darling on it. So that one looks like that. So I'm going to use the bullet lipstick, and then I might go over the top with the other one. That just feels so creamy and moisturising. I think I might try a little bit of this on top just to see. Virtually the same kind of colour. It doesn't feel very dry in at the minute. It does smell quite like artificial berries. I don't know how I feel about that. At the minute, it still feels moisturising with that moisturising lipstick underneath. I'm going to sort my hair out and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Guys, look at me. Look. Like, what the actual hell? Does anybody else get this messy when they're doing the makeup? Because I do all the bloody time. So this is the look that I've come up with using the Poundland makeup today, guys. What do you think? I love it. I really, really love it. I hope you guys do too. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I've now set up a new schedule. I can't say that word. Schedule. I think it's schedule. I've set up a new schedule, so I'll be uploading my videos every Sunday, Wednesday and Friday at 5 PM. Fingers crossed. That's my new goal for 2023. I want to be posting 3 videos up for you guys a week. So comment down in the comments below what you'd like to see. Follow me on Insta if you haven't followed me on there before, or you're not following me. It's Tara_beauty 2021. And we can like interact with each other on there. I do daily polls to ask you guys what you'd like to see, what's coming up, if I need to notify you of anything. It's normally all over on my Insta. I am getting used to using the new community tab here on YouTube as well. So be sure to check that out in case I pop something on there. But yeah, I love you all so, so much. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.